Hello my friends. Noto, a town nestled in the heart of Sicily, Italy, transports visitors to a bygone era with its breathtaking Baroque splendor. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is celebrated for its stunning architecture, characterized by grand facades, ornate churches, and elegant palaces. At the center of it all lies the main square, the Corso Vittorio Emanuele, which serves as a focal point for the town's remarkable history and reconstruction after the devastating earthquake of 1693. The Baroque architecture of Noto is a testament to the town's resilience and artistic vision. The reconstruction efforts that followed the earthquake allowed architects and artisans to reimagine Noto with a new sense of grandeur. They aimed to create a town that would not only withstand future disasters but also reflect the beauty and elegance of the Baroque style that was flourishing in Europe at the time. Corso Vittorio Emanuele, the town's main square, stands as a magnificent example of this architectural revival. As you enter the square, you are greeted by a breathtaking sight. The facades of the buildings lining the square are adorned with intricate details and elaborate decorations. The golden hues of the stone glow under the Sicilian sun, creating a truly mesmerizing experience. One of the most notable buildings in Corso Vittorio Emanuele is the Noto Cathedral, also known as the Cathedral of San Nicolò. This majestic church dominates the square with its grand staircase and ornate facade. The cathedral's intricate carvings, columns, and statues showcase the skilled craftsmanship of the Baroque period. Step inside, and you will be immersed in a world of gilded altars, frescoes, and beautifully crafted marble details. Adjacent to the cathedral, the Palazzo Ducezio stands as a testament to the town's noble past. Named after Ducezio, the ancient king of the Sicilian town of Noto, this elegant palace is a masterpiece of Baroque architecture. Its imposing facade is embellished with balustrades, decorative elements, and statues, all showcasing the opulence of the period. The palace is now home to the town hall, continuing its role as a symbol of authority and power. As you stroll through Corso Vittorio Emanuele, you will encounter a myriad of palaces, churches, and aristocratic residences. Each building is a work of art, showcasing the skill and creativity of the architects and craftsmen of the time. The facades display intricate details, such as floral motifs, mythical figures, and scenes from ancient mythology. It is as if the entire square has been transformed into an open-air museum, where every step reveals a new masterpiece. To truly appreciate the significance of Noto's Baroque architecture, one must understand the historical context in which it was created. The earthquake of 1693, one of the most devastating in Sicily's history, left Noto and other nearby towns in ruins. The reconstruction efforts that followed were a testament to the resilience and determination of the local population. Under the guidance of skilled architects and craftsmen, Noto was rebuilt in the Baroque style that was popular at the time. The town's layout was redesigned, incorporating wider streets and open spaces that would better withstand future earthquakes. The result was a harmonious blend of beauty and functionality, where the grandeur of the Baroque style was combined with the practical considerations of a seismic zone. Today, Noto stands as a living testament to the triumph of human creativity and perseverance. Its Baroque architecture continues to captivate visitors from around the world, offering a glimpse into a glorious past. As you wander through the streets and soak in the splendor of Corso Vittorio Emanuele, you can't help but feel the echoes of history and the remarkable spirit of a town that rose from the rubble to become a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Until next time, thank you for taking this journey with me throughout all of Italy and Sicily. I pray you have a great day and thank you so much. Ciao!